Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import a custom HTML template to Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to use professionally designed email templates or maintain your brand's unique style across all your email campaigns. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you'll need to access your account. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can get into your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard. Direct your attention to the left sidebar menu where you'll see several options for managing your campaigns and content. Click on Campaigns. This will expand to show you additional choices. From these expanded options, select Email Template. This section is where you'll manage all your email templates, including the custom HTML one you're about to import. Now, shift your focus to the top right part of your screen. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Code Your Own with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down arrow. Two options will appear in front of you, giving you different ways to bring in your custom code. The two options you'll see are Import HTML and Import Zip. For this tutorial, we'll be working with the Import HTML option, which allows you to upload a single HTML file directly. This is perfect when you have a standalone HTML template ready to go. Go ahead and choose the Import HTML file option by clicking on it. An upload window will appear on your screen, presenting you with the tools you need to select your file. In this window, click the Add File button. This will open your computer's file browser, navigate through your website files to locate your HTML file. Once you've found the HTML template you want to use, select it and click Open. This action uploads the file to Mailchimp's system, preparing it for import. After your file has been selected, you'll see a Continue button. Click Continue to proceed with importing the HTML file. Mailchimp will now process your template and prepare it for review. You'll be taken to a preview screen where you can review your imported template. Take a moment to look over how it appears and ensure everything has imported correctly. If everything looks good, click Save. After clicking Save, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your imported HTML template. Choose a descriptive name that will help you identify this template easily in the future, then confirm. And that's it. You've successfully imported a custom HTML template into Mailchimp. This template is now ready to use in your email campaigns, allowing you to deliver beautifully designed emails that match your brand perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.